Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam chat are still on this device error. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, this error occur when you are violate the WhatsApp term and conditions and privacy policies. So how to resolve this error? Let's get started. First of all, open your go to your WhatsApp and hold on it like it, and go to your this icon, and this second method to for this, go to your settings, go to your app section, search a WhatsApp. Now here is. After doing this, just go down and go to your storage section. Click on first of all clear the caches. After that, clear the data. Okay guys, go back, and after doing this chat, open a WhatsApp. Now after that, click on a privacy policy. After doing this test, go down and go to your contact us section. Now here is a contact us. So click on contact us. After doing this set, select I need help with my WhatsApp account. So select it. After that, click on send button. Sorry. After doing this state, you can, if your phone are lost or stolen. Now here is a, if your account was banned, read this article. So click on the third option is, if your account was banned, this article. Click on this article. After doing this set, now click on email us. Now if you are using a normal WhatsApp, then you can select a contacts us. If you are using WhatsApp business, then you can click on this contact us. So I am using a normally my personal WhatsApp, so click on contact us. After doing this step, fill this form, enter your mobile number, email address, and your mobile operating systems. Okay guys, after fill up this form, mobile number, email address, and select your mobile phone. In my case is a WhatsApp, so click on next button. After doing this, set fill up your reasons. After entering your problems and issue, after I click on a next button. Now after doing the setup, click on a send question. When you click on a send question, your request will be submitted, and it's required of 24 hours. For after 24 hours, your service will be restored. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.